Hi, I'm Carrie from Karilee Creations. I have an Etsy shop that I started this YouTube channel so that I could display how to use some of the items in my shop. Etsy only lets you put like 5-10 second videos, but I make, as you can see, I make spreadsheets for budgeting, finance, debt payoff. I also have some PDFs. I have a budget service where I help people with their debt snowball and their budgets. I have a savings, a lot of Excel spreadsheets. I also have some health ones, the weight, BMI in inches log, this blood pressure, heart rate, and weight log. This one was one of my first ones I made, which I really like because you can put in your blood pressure at certain days and times, put your weight, and it'll change the color according to the 5 stages of blood pressure. So it'll let you know when it's high just by looking at the color. I have another one coming today for, it's just a weight log, a weight loss log, which will be here, where all you do is fill in the green areas, and it helps you set target dates, target weights, loss goals, and to see if you can reach those goals. So I keep adding more to my offerings. The more I create that I think people need or would like to have, I add them to my Etsy shop, and then I add them to my YouTube channel to show them how they actually work, like an instructional video. I may move on to more things later, but for now I'm just here to help. And if you have any ideas for an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF or something that you'd like to see, just let me know, either at my email address or at my Etsy shop. And thanks for watching, and if you want to see what's to come, please subscribe, like, hit the little bell so you get notified when I add something new. Thank you.